Is your car's air conditioning not cooling the way it should? It could be more than just low refrigerant. One of the key components responsible for keeping your AC system working properly is the AC pressure switch. The AC pressure switch monitors the pressure levels of the refrigerant in your car's air conditioning system. There are usually two pressure switches in the system, a low pressure switch and a high pressure switch. The low pressure switch ensures that the refrigerant pressure doesn't drop too low, which would prevent the compressor from functioning properly. The high pressure switch, on the other hand, protects the system from excess pressure, which could cause damage to components. When this switch goes bad, it can lead to a host of problems with your AC system. In this video, we'll go over the symptoms of a bad AC pressure switch, how it works, and what to do if it's causing issues in your car. Let's get started. AC blowing warm air. One of the most common symptoms of a bad AC pressure switch is the AC blowing warm air. Since the pressure switch controls when the AC compressor turns on and off, a faulty switch can prevent the compressor from engaging properly. This means your refrigerant won't circulate through the system, and as a result, the air blowing from the vents will be warm or only slightly cool. If you notice this issue and have already checked refrigerant levels, the AC pressure switch could be the problem. AC compressor fails to engage. A more severe symptom is when the AC compressor doesn't engage at all. The AC pressure switch is responsible for sending the signal to the compressor to activate when the refrigerant pressure is within the correct range. If the switch fails, it can prevent the compressor from engaging, meaning your AC system will stop working altogether. This is especially common when the high pressure switch is faulty, as it will keep the compressor off to avoid potential damage from high pressure. AC system shutting down completely. In some cases, a faulty AC pressure switch can cause the entire AC system to shut down. This can happen if the switch detects dangerously high or low refrigerant pressure levels and automatically shuts off the system as a safety precaution. If your AC system suddenly stops working without warning and won't turn back on, it could be due to a pressure switch failure. Fault codes and warning lights. Modern vehicles equipped with advanced diagnostic systems may display warning lights or fault codes related to the AC system if the pressure switch fails. If your car has an OBDI system, a mechanic can scan for specific error codes that might indicate a problem with the AC pressure switch. Common codes for this issue include those that relate to refrigerant pressure or AC system performance. Diagnosing a bad AC pressure switch. This requires some technical know-how. First, a mechanic will need to check the refrigerant levels in the system to ensure that low refrigerant isn't causing the problem. Next, they'll test the pressure in the system using special gauges to verify that the pressure is within the normal range. If the pressure is fine, but the AC system still isn't working correctly, the switch itself will need to be tested or replaced.